Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again. Welcome to the other Flutter demo videos, and in this second Flutter demo videos, I will show you my newest update for my beta app or my Islamic dashboard app. So I made some new features that is a screens for showing data, local data of doa. So you can access doa, a lot of types of dua in my apps. So without any further ado, let's go to the demo videos. Okay everyone, so welcome to our file. So here is it, our file. So this is the first file is we have three screens for this new doa features. So the first is doa screens, that's the main homes. So this our back. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using Chrome for running my projects, and I'll guess that you'll say that why the Hebrew image is worse. It because I run it on Chrome, but when we try to run in mobile emulator, yeah, the Hebrew image will fit with the mobile screens, and this is the homepage of the doa screens. Yeah, this is just a UI. Oh yeah, by the way, here is it, my local data for this doa screen. So this is the data. It contains image, titles, Arabic text, translations, and reference for the doa. In the doa screen, yeah, this is just a UI, and it have a navigator push. When we click in one card, it will navigate us to the doa list. So let's click, and only one screen we can get some data. So as you can see here, the data changes following what card we click. So Salat, then it will show duas list, and then ethic, it will show the dua for ethic list. Then we'll move to the dua list. So for the program is for the line, there's below 100, only 75 lines, but when we click, we can access a lot of dua details here. So as you can see, only 75 line of syntax. This syntax can access a lot of dua because I am using local data for my project. So here from the dua list, when we click one of the child that is list style, so on tab navigator push context, and it will set for the variable in the dua detail. So in this dua detail, it have some variable. It have 4 variable, that is title, Arabic text, translations, and reference. And in the dua list, when we click some of the list here, it will set the variable following what we click, what list we click. As you can see here, the data changes following what list we click. And we'll move to the detailed dua. Yeah, this is just a simple screens. So there is a background, an image.assets background that I covered in a container. Then here is it. It got data from the dua list because I'm using local data. So after it's clicked, so it will navigate to the dua detail screens, and it will shows the detail of the dua. This, yeah, just a simple UI. I just changed for the text, yeah, for the text. So I changed for, usually we have a strings here like this, maybe detail, but I'll change it to the variable, so it will change automatically following the list we click, titles, like that. And this is for the title text, that is, here is it for this text. And then Arabic text, Arabic text, then translations, then for the reference, yeah, like that. Oh yeah, back to our data. Where is our data file? So this is my data file. When I want, yeah, here I using switch case, so we can change our case in the DOA screens. Here in the DOA screens, navigator push context, material push category. So pagi and malam is the case, and here because this DOA data have a switch case, so we can change our case, so it will follows the data. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Faishal. See you in the next video.